more than gold. So hold your head up high. It's your time to shine.
Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with a individual faux lock style. These are all individual, ladies. Like, I could put it up in a ponytail. I could do a whole lot of styles with this hair. As you guys saw, those are the few styles that I do. The last one that I did with the braid on the side, that is like one of my signatures. I usually do like pretty much the same styles, whether I have twists, faux locks, box braids, all of that. So sometimes you may see the same styles because those are the styles that I wear. So this is the hair. These are the 14-inch ombre faux locks. Now I want to show you guys. I did get 6 packs. So I'm going to leave the link down below if you are interested after watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to definitely come back after a week or two of wearing this hair. This hair seems very low maintenance. Like, I'm not even going to have to do anything at night but put my bonnet on and maybe like tie up my edges or something. But other than that, like, there's little to no maintenance with this hair. Maybe like oil my scalp or something. But as you can see, and as you will see in the demonstration here shortly, for one of my styles, I pretty much did, I didn't do like box perfectly all over, and I never do, mainly because I'm not good at doing like these uniform parts and parting spaces and all of that. I kind of just do it just how I do it, I guess. But anyway, this is not perfect, but like I said, I think it's super cute. This is the hair that I received. I received 6 packs of this hair. I received 6 packs, and I'm going to show you the ombre because it is actually 3 colors in this ombre. So we start with, I would say, about color 1B into 2/4, and then into the lightest portion, which is it T27, something along the lines of it. I can't remember the appropriate name for it, but I thought this was really cool, like having 3 color ombre instead of 2. So I thought that was super cute. Now as far as these packs, so I would say it's about 20 to 23 in here, just so I don't have to lie to anybody. So I would say about 20 to 23. I actually used 2.5 packs. Literally 2.5, because I have this left and there's one on the floor right here. But I did not use a lot of hair, so if I wanted to, I could do another install. But as you guys will see in the video, I was kind of struggling, and that's why you will I only did like the front for you guys, because I had to really focus on doing this hair. As you will see in the video, it is not perfect, but I think it looks very realistic for a faux lock. So yeah, so when you start the video, I will just be doing basically the front of my head, because I really had to focus on getting this style done right. Okay, you guys, so if you are interested in how I got these super cute, very, very realistic faux locks, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so these are it. This is the faux locks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, video suggestions, anything, leave them down below. Constructive criticism, anything. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.